You can see the morning sunrise from the resort. Very, very awesome, very beautiful, totally different from Chirala. So you can see the sunrise, and it looks very beautiful. This is from a different angle. Early morning, around 5:40 right now. Okay, so we are done with our Vizag trip, and now we are returning back to Hyderabad. So we just checked out from our hotel and resort. The return journey is we are expected to reach by 6 p.m. Right now time is 6:30. Weather here is very hot right now, very hot and humid in the morning. The hotel stay was not very good. So hotel and the resort is average. Only plus point is the location. It's just next to the beach, so it has a private beach. But otherwise, room was very small compared to the tariff. Food very bad.
Continue on beach road for 5 kilometers.
If you are staying in this resort, then I will not suggest to have food from here. You should order or have outside food. Stay with us. We'll keep you updated on the return journey, how the road is and different options at the roads on the way back to our home. साथ में रहो for the entire video so that आपको पता चले रास्ते के बारे में और any eating points, खाने का जगह और restrooms. Will keep you updated how the we are in the Simhachalam road. So far we have covered around 17 kilometers. Total distance left is 679 right now. We are still just exiting Vizag. The landscape, you can see it's very beautiful. Mountains in front with some clouds. So we are just crossing the Simhachalam temple. We are on the Simhachalam road. Temple, there are a lot of rush in the temple. Maybe because today is Purnima also, so lot of rush. So Vijayawada now 349 kilometer. You can see the board Rajamundry 194 and Hyderabad is 663 kilometers.
Lane departure.
Time right now is 7:40. अभी 7:40 हुआ है. Total distance 663 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है. Expected time to reach is 6:10 around. we are in NH16. Now the time is 7:47. Expected time to reach is 6:10. अभी हम NH16 में हैं और करीब करीब 6 बजे तक हम घर पहुंचेंगे हैदराबाद. So the total kilometer left is 655 exactly from now, from here. The highway seems to be very empty. We are cruising smoothly. So now we are approaching toll. This is today's first toll. First toll of NH16. We are still on NH16. Distance left is 598. अभी भी 598 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है for our final destination, which is home. Expected to reach by 6:05. 9.5 घंटा का सफ़र अभी और बाकी है. We are approaching another toll. This is the second toll of NH16 and second toll for today also.
Lane departure.
We are at Vempadu Toll Plaza. Vempadu Toll Plaza.
मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ मेरा घर.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure. In 600 meters, turn left.
Less than 9 hours left.
Lane departure.
9 घंटे से कम समय अभी बचा हुआ है. 8 hours 58 minutes as per Google. 575 kilometer
Next left, then turn right.
for Hyderabad. हाईवे में जा रहे तो हाईवे में नहीं. उससे आते हैं ना सर्विस लेने के निकलते हैं. गूगल भी कभी ना साला है.
Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure. Lane departure.
थोड़ा मोड़ा देना है तो. हम अभी भी NH16 में हैं. टाइम अभी 9:20 हुआ है. 560 किलोमीटर अभी भी बाकी है हैदराबाद के लिए. एक्सपेक्टेड अराइवल 6 o'clock हो गया है. 10 मिनट कवर अप हुई है. इन बिटवीन 6:10 दिखा रहा था.
departure.
Change in landscape. Both side mountains.
Lane departure.
Temperature has now moved up to 33 degree. Most likely it will hover around
Lane
35
departure.
all day. There were few eating points just few kilometers back. We didn't stop because we are not planning to have breakfast so early. We not feeling hungry. We'll have
Lane departure.
some light breakfast later on, or maybe club with lunch and have brunch. This restaurant, it's good for breakfast. Inside it was very crowded. Earlier thought of having breakfast, but because of the crowd, it may delay us. So we are not planning to have any breakfast here, and we'll head back on the road. This is the restaurant, One Food Cafe, food court. It's a big one, having lot of options, many sitting options, but almost full. Very difficult to find seat. I managed it, but then decided to not have because it may delay us further. So we are heading back.
Lane departure.
सिटी के बीच में जितना उधर आसपास जितना जो भी होगा सब अब कंजर्वेशन के लिए छोड़ दिया होगा ना, ग्रीन एरिया। मतलब ग्रीन नहीं था, ये पत्थर था। आपको जो झाड़ था जिसमें कुछ नहीं होता है।
Lane departure.
So we are approaching a toll. This is the third toll for the day. So we are now crossing Godavari. We are on NH60. Time right now is 11:12. Still 473 kilometers left for our home. अभी भी 473 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है घर के लिए। हम गोदावरी रिवर क्रॉस कर रहे हैं। This is गोदावरी रिवर बेसिन। It's a very long bridge. Takes almost 5 minutes to cross. As there is a speed limit also. And there is some, I think, repair work going on the other lane. So in the rainy season, this river is totally full. Right now, also the water it's having sufficient water. In the rainy season, you can imagine how much full it will be, how big it will look like.
बस 20 सेकंड होगा और अपनी बात बोल के निकल। मेरा नाम है विनम्र किसान। मेरे पॉडकास्ट का नाम है
Outside temperature has increased. Now it is 35 degree.
कॉमेडी से लेकर हास्य
Full hot.
कभी हिंदी कभी इंग्लिश और कभी इंग्लिश। बिल्कुल
Still it is
मेरे पॉडकास्ट
45 minutes to noon,
टाइम की गेस्ट
and we have reached 35 degrees. 12 बजने में अभी 45 मिनट है और हम 35 डिग्री पहुँच गए. मे बी इट may increase further, not sure. Coffee house, we had taken a 15 minutes halt here for some bio break and coffee break. It's a reasonable stall, tea stall. Rates were very good, so you can opt for. Washroom was also very neat and clean, so you can opt for. You can look for break if you are on this way. Still in NH16. We are about to reach Vijayawada. Some time back it was showing 65 km left. Right now, overall 372 km is left. And time required is 5 hours 42 minutes. Expected to reach by 6:45 p.m. So probably if we break for some more time, one or two. If we take one or two more breaks, I think we'll reach by 7:30.
Lane departure.
So we have left NS60 and now connecting to 163G.
Slight left onto the ramp to National Highway 163G. Then use the left lane to take the ramp to National Highway 163G.
So this will take us to Vijayawada and then outsides of Vijayawada, and then from there we'll connect to NS65.
Use the left lane to take the ramp to National Highway 163G. Continue for 12 kilometers.
So we are on NH 163G. So far we have covered half the distance, almost half the distance. 342 left. Kilometer left. 5 hours and 12 minutes approximately. Looking for a fuel tank. Need to fill up my fuel. Approaching the warning level.
Lane departure.
This highway is also having
Lane departure.
speed limit of 100, so you can cruise it smoothly. So we are crossing another toll on 163G, but this is not operational right now,
Continue on National Highway 163G.
so no
10
charges
kilometers.
again over here. Then while going to Vizag also we met this toll. It was not working, so it's not started basically. So Vijayawada is around 10 kilometers, 10 to 12 kilometers from here. We will not enter the city. We'll move from outskirts of Vijayawada and connect to NS65. So we will be leaving NS 163G and connecting to another road towards Vijayawada, and from there we'll connect to NS65.
Take the next left onto Vijayawada
Lane departure.
Mailavram Road, Vijayawada Visinapeta Road. In 600 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight onto Inner Ring Road.
We're crossing Vijayawada bypass. So we are on the Vijayawada bypass road. We are crossing the outskirts of Vijayawada. In around 1.5 kilometer, we'll touch NH65. So probably there was around 7 to 8 kilometers of connecting road between NH163G and NH165. Overall, still 314 kilometers left.
Lane departure.
Expected to reach by 6:39 p.m. if we don't take further break. On the Vijayawada bypass road to fill up my fuel tank. It was around 100 kilometer left, but wanted to fill it before, and so that we don't need to brake further for the petrol. Outside is very hot. It's around 40 degree. Very hot compared to Vizag. They're now merging with NH65. Just had taken a fuel break and filled my tank.
Slide right onto National Highway 65.
So this will take the same road which it took for coming while going to Vizag, that NH65, and then via Suryapet, Hyderabad, and Vakar. It's kilometer and time wise more efficient than the other route. I think this is what Google is also suggesting.
Continue on National Highway 65 for 9
So
kilometers.
this is, we have now connected, merged with the NH65. हम अब NH65 में मर्ज हुए हैं और अब 313 किलोमीटर बाकी है घर के लिए. Total time left approximately 4 hours 40 minutes. Hopefully we'll reach by 7 if we don't take further break. We are approaching another toll. This is Kesara Plaza toll. Charges for this is 70 rupees per car. And 3 hours 26 minutes left for our home. We took a 40 minutes break for lunch. We had a curd rice
Lane departure.
because it was a little late, so we didn't want to have heavy lunch. So we had just curd rice. It was a good
Lane
place.
departure.
I just forgot to note down the name, but it is on NH65,
Lane
around
departure.
200 kilometers away from Hyderabad. So if you are planning, then
Lane departure.
take a stop here if you are passing by. Right now it is very hot outside. It's still 40 plus degree here. घंटा और 13 मिनट बाकी है घर पहुंचने के लिए.
Lane departure.
200 किलोमीटर टोटल. रास्ते में अब बारिश होने लगा है. टेम्परेचर suddenly reduced to 33 degrees centigrade from
Lane
42.
departure.
Not sure if it is raining in Hyderabad also. We are crossing now Shanti Nagar. Still 185 kilometer more to go. The expected arrival time is same as earlier, around 8 o'clock. The roads so far was very good. NH16 especially was very smooth. With many places speed limit up to 100 km per hour. Traffic was also very less. So if you are planning on weekdays, you can cruise smoothly. Weekend maybe little high traffic,
Lane
but
departure.
today is Monday and it was very empty road, roads were very
Lane departure.
NS65 also, it's not too crowded. It's very minimum traffic.
Lane departure.
Shortly. In fact, we are crossing outsides of Suryapet. Then we cross Nalgonda and then Hyderabad.
Lane departure.
133 kilometers from our home. 2 hours 13 minutes. And expected time is same as earlier, 7:53 right now, slightly reduced. Current time is around 5:40.
Lane departure.
We are smoothing closely. There is no traffic, virtually no traffic today. Highway is
Lane
practically
departure.
empty. So the roads are very smooth. The NH65 is very good right now. No, only one place there was some construction work, but otherwise, so far from Vijayawada till now there is
Lane departure.
no issue with the road. Smooth, totally smooth. You can cruise at 80. Still in NH65 and about around 44
Lane
kilometers
departure.
left to touch ORR. Overall, 114 kilometer left. Close to 2 hours more. Current time is 6 p.m. There was some diversion in between just before this. There is some flyover construction going on. So we got delayed by 5 minutes. There was some heavy
Lane
traffic over there
departure.
because of the construction work. And Chittal. Will reach by 8 p.m. as Google is suggesting.
Lane departure.
Just to recap, we started at around 6:30 from Vizag, Yosiganda Beach Resort. We took NH60 and NH65. In between there was NH163B. Overall, the roads till now was good, except for few patches where construction work is going on and there is diversion. But otherwise, that is also not too long, maybe 100-200 meters
Lane departure.
patches. The rest all is very smooth drive.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
Finally, we are
Lane departure.
in ORR right now. 47 minutes more
Lane
to go,
departure.
42 kilometers. 32 kilometers in ORR left.
Lane departure.
Time right now is 7:10, so we will reach by 8 o'clock.
Lane departure.
The temperature here right now is 32
Lane
degrees,
departure.
much cooler than what it was earlier in
Lane
outskirts
departure.
of Hyderabad.
Lane departure.